Next is a class on the Srimad Bhagavatam, 7th Canto, 6th Chapter, text number 17 and 18, given by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on July 1st, 1976, at the New Vrindavan Farm Community.
My dear friends, O sons of the demons, it is certain that no one bereft of knowledge of the Supreme Personality of Godhead has been able to liberate himself from material bondage at any time or in any country. Rather, those bereft of knowledge of the Lord are bound by the material laws. They are factually addicted to sense gratification, and their target is woman. Indeed, they are actually playthings in the hands of attractive women. Victimized by such a conception of life, they become surrounded by children, grandchildren, and great-grandchildren, and thus they are shackled to material bondage. Those who are very much addicted to this conception of life are called demons. Therefore, although you are sons of demons, keep aloof from such persons and take shelter of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Narayana, the origin of all the demigods, because the ultimate goal for the devotees of Narayana is liberation from the bondage of material existence.
Jato na kaschit katakuttrasid ba dina samatmanam alam samarthya vimochitam kama disang vihara piramigo janagaro visargya tato vidurat parihitra daitya daityesu sangam visayatmakesu upeta narayanam adidevam samukta sangai risito apamarga. So, visarga and apavarga. Visarga means creation. So, the important fact is that if we are attached to the material world, maybe very minute quantity, then there will be visarga. Visarga means creation. We'll have to accept another body. Unless we completely pure, annavilasita sunnam. Sunnam means zero. Annavilasita sunnam jnana karma ganabhritam anukullena krishnanushilanam bhakti uttama. So, back to home, back to Godhead, we are trying. That is our ambition. But if we have got a little propensity for material enjoyment, then we may get very better position in the material world, in the Sargaloka, heavenly planet. The description of heavenly planet is given also in the Srimad Bhagavatam. Very, very opulent. We cannot imagine even how they are opulent. The roads are made of pearls, diamond, coral. The roads are made of like that. And at the same time, no sinful man is admitted there. Everyone highly elevated, pious, there is no crookedness, no enviousness. So many, you'll find this description in the 8th canto of Sargaloka. There are, and everything we cannot imagine him. But that is also within this material. Within this material. Jadideva Bratadeva. We can go there if we want to go. Just like they are trying, the modern so-called scientists, to go to the moon planet, Mars. According to Shastra, these planets are bedecked with such descriptive facilities. They are also within the heavenly planet. But these rascals are going and they find nobody there and they take some dust and come back. This is their success. They do not know that they cannot enter even there. They are not meant for ordinary person. So at least those who are sinless, very straightforward, not envious. So anyway, even if we go, abrahma bhavana lokana punaravartino, it is stated in the Bhagavad Gita. This is Sargolo. And above that, Bhut Bhuva Sar, you have got Gayatri, Om Bhut Bhuva Sar Tat Savitu Barannam Bhargadev. There are other higher planets also, Sargalok, Janalok, Tapalok, Mahalok, Sattalok, Brahmalok. There are 14 status of different planetary systems. Chaturdash Bhuvan, and the topmost is the Brahmalok. So even if you go there, there is no relief. Abrahma Bhavana Lokan Punaravat. You have to come back again. Therefore Prahlad Maharaj is very serious that Visarga, stop this Visarga. Go back directly to Krishna. Don't go even in this any planetary system within this material world. We have got description of this planetary system, but there is also fight between the demons and the Daita. There is also not peace. There is struggle for existence. Sometimes one party is getting above another party, and sometimes one's kingdom is attacked by another party, the demons attacking demigods' city, they are attacking. The struggle for existence you will find everywhere. Abrahma Bhavanalo. Therefore, the devotee is not interested anywhere within this material, however very opulent it may be. There may be roads instead of the stone, diamond, coral. That does not attract. They are not interested. They are interested to go to Vrindavan and become a grass there. This is the mode. Just like Uddhav, as soon as he entered Vrindavan, immediately fell down on the road, thinking that on this street Krishna has walked, his friends have walked, there are footprints. So, this is the ambition of the devotee. They are not interested for diamond roads or pearl roads. No. The Prahlad Maharaj says that if you, my dear Daita friends, you are talking with his friends, they are born of Daita family. Daita family means Daitya, Daiteshu Sangam Vishayatmakisu. Daita means those who are material attached. Simply for sense gratification. That is the distinction between the Daitas and Devas. The Devas, And they are also sense gratification, but they are devotees at the same time, not pure devotee. Their devotion is for material opulence. They want something, return. Krishna is also prepared. Krishna takes sides of them. So if you want to enjoy material world, that also you can get by becoming Krishna conscious. Krishna is so pleased, so kind. That was Shastra recommends, akama sarvakama va moksha kama udaradhi tibrena bhakti yogena jajita paramam purus. Even if you have got desire to enjoy within this material world, still you take to Krishna consciousness. Krishna is satisfied you. So give him. There is no need of doing something else for your material enjoyment. If you want, because we cannot give up material enjoyment, we have been habituated since time immemorial, many life after many lives, simply for sense gratification. It is not very easy to give up the idea. Therefore Shastra says, even if you have got idea of sense gratification, still you take to Krishna consciousness. Don't try it otherwise. Just like the devatas. They've got facilities for all sense gratification. Sense gratification means udara upastha jiva. Jiva, this tongue and the belly and the genital. This is the prime sense gratificatory sources. Very palatable dishes, fill up the belly as much as possible and then enjoy sex. This is material. In the spiritual world, these things are absent. In material world, these things are very prominent. So Prahlad Maharaj warns his friends that if we become attached to this sense gratification, then vimochitam kama drishanga vihara kriyamigo jan nigara visarga. Nigar means the root. The root cause of accepting the material body. These things are sense gratification. Tato vidura, from distant place. Tato vidurat parihittaditya. My dear friend, although you are born of Daitya family, I am also born. His father is also Daitya. Daityeshu sangam vishayatmakeshu. Give up there. Asatsanga tyagi Vaishnava. The same thing. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also. So he is a Vaishnava. Vaishnava, he immediately explained that Vaishnava. Now what is the duty of Vaishnava? Some devotee asked Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Sir, what is the duty of a Vaishnava? So he immediately replied in 2 lines. Atha sangha tyagi Vaishnava. To give up the company of materialistic person. Then the next question may be, who is materialistic? Atha takstri sangha. One who is attached to woman, he is also. And Krishna Bhakta. And one is not a devotee of Krishna. So we have to give up. So there is, therefore, regulative principle, at least no illicit sex. Get yourself married live like a gentleman, take responsibility, and then gradually he'll be able to give up this sex desire. And unless we give up this sex desire, completely unagitated, there is no possibility of stopping this repetition of material birth. Birth, death, old age and disease, that is not possible. Therefore, Prahlad Maharaj advice says, Datteshu sangam vishayatmakis. Don't associate with asatsanga, the same thing as Chaitanya. Asatsanga tyagi Vaishnava. This is Vaishnava's business. Don't take any opportunity of assault those who are materially attached. Very, very difficult association. Then it is possible, Upeto Narayanam Adidevang Samukta Sangai Rishito Apavarta. Therefore association is very Sajati Siddhasa. Those who are engaged in Krishna consciousness, devotional service, make your association with them. Krishna consciousness means fully become detached with this material enjoyment. Simply become engaged in Krishna service. Your life will be successful. Thank you.